How to share files on IMO. Want to share a document or a file? This guide shows you how to share files on IMO so you can share documents with your friends and family. First, open the chat with the contact or group that you want to send a file to. At the bottom of the chat, you'll see a text input box. Next to it, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon to open the menu. From the menu that appears, tap on Files. This will open your phone's file manager. You can then select the file that you want to send. You can send documents, PDFs, presentations, and more. Once you've selected the file, tap on the Send button. The file will then be sent to the contact or group. You can also add a message to the file before sending it. It's a quick and easy way to share files with your friends and family. You now know how to share files on IMO. Get ready to share documents with your friends and family. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.